Thanks for checking out my channel. I'm delighted to announce the release of my new cookbook, the Thai Cookbook, Wicked Wild Thailand. There's over 100 recipes in here and over 370 pages of wonderful stories from my chef's life in Thailand, dealing with corrupt suppliers, death threats, snakes in the office. It's all in there. It's brutally honest, right? I'd like to thank all the folks that have purchased this already and supported me. It really means a lot. Thank you so much. Don't forget to put your reviews on Amazon, because I'm already at the top of the list when you type in Thai Cookbook, so that's a great thing, and thanks to you for the purchases. All the way from New Zealand, Australia, Asia, Europe, UK, USA, and here Saint Lucia in the Caribbean. So thank you so much to all of you who supported me. Yeah, stay tuned because there are some free giveaways coming up in a minute. I'm Ian Sherlock and this is my cookbook. Here's how it works. Purchase the book, send me the receipt to the email on the screen. I'll enter you into my Facebook Live lottery system, and then when I make a first 100 purchases, when I get the first 100 purchases, I'll put a Facebook Live lottery and draw you out. So the third prize will be anything under $20 US from my chef shop. Second prize, anything under $30 US, and the first prize is a $50 US cash voucher sent to you wherever you are in the world. Okay, after that your name goes back in the pot, so you keep on winning. So keep on sharing this, keep on telling people, because the more people who purchase the book, the more chances of winning bigger prizes, right? After that, every 500 purchases I will ump up the value. Now here's the big grand prize. Third prize, $500 US sent to you wherever you are. Second prize, $1,000 US sent to you wherever you are dwelling. And the first big grand prize is, yes, a wonderful trip to Saint Lucia here in the Caribbean on me. Flights, no matter where you come from, flights, accommodation, you'll stay at the wonderful exotic St. James Club here on the island. It's an all-inclusive property, so that means all-inclusive. Yes, the booze, the food, the drink, the booze, the food, the drink. It's all on me, folks. And I'll show you around my little island. Okay, if you are living on this island and you happen to win, of course I'm not going to send you down the road. That wouldn't be nice, would it? Same package deal off to Jamaica for a week. So again, folks, thanks for the support. Don't forget to send me the receipt. Don't forget to send me a review on Amazon. That's important because that also pumps up the sales when people see those 5 stars. That's what that's there for, right? Don't forget to check out my YouTube channel, 45 cooking videos from now to go with this book from now until next year. So to keep you going, you can check the recipe, check the video. Okay, get out there, buy the book. Thanks for those who did, really appreciate it. Thanks for the support, and don't forget to check out my social media to keep appraised: Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube video channel. Thanks folks, bon appetit.